Stuck in editing purgatory? Spending hours crafting the perfect TikTok or YouTube short, only to get a handful of views? Wish you could create engaging, viral-worthy content for your favorite platforms with just a few clicks? This video unveils a game-changing secret weapon. Effortlessly generate stunning TikTok and YouTube shorts in minutes. That's right, minutes. Clipwise.ai turns your text prompts into hot animated videos with premium visuals, voiceovers, and fonts. No watermark. Just write, hit create, and bam! Engaging content in seconds. Get 15% off as a new user. Check the video description for the Clipwise.ai link and discount code. Clipwise provides 2 daily videos, 3 visual themes, 2 AI voices, and 3 background music options for free. However, premium users enjoy additional benefits. Click on Create Your First Video and log in with your Google account. After logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. The first section is the prompt bar where you can enter text. Next, you'll find the video language selection. Following that, you'll see the available visual themes. Below, you'll find options for video overlay, voiceover, and background music. All right, let's create our first video. In the prompt section, you can type anything to generate a video. If you don't have any ideas, you can open ChatGPT and ask it to provide a kid's story-related prompt. ChatGPT will then generate a prompt related to a kid's story. Copy the generated prompt and paste it into Clipwise. Next, select the video language. After that, choose a visual theme. Click on More to select a theme related to kids. If you are a premium user, you can select a video overlay. Then, choose the voice. First, preview your voice options.
Once upon a time in a quaint village, nestled among tall trees.
What?
Not what we have, but what we enjoy constitutes our abundance.
A mischievous cat named Whiskers.
Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled
Not what we have, but what we...
And then select the preferred one. Finally, set up the background music. After completing all these steps, click on the Next button to proceed. Here, you can change the text font style, color, and position of subtitles. Plus, Clipwise will generate all scenes. You can read through them and edit the script if needed. After this, click on the Next button. That's all. Just wait for the rendering results and download your final video. Here's a preview of our first generated video.
Once upon a time, in a charming little village nestled amidst rolling hills and verdant forests, a group of animal friends embarked on a new day of exploration. As they ventured to the edge of the woods, they discovered a tiny lost kitten, its eyes shimmering with fear and curiosity. They knew they had a mission. United by their love for adventure and compassion, they rallied around the kitten. Their resolve was clear: to return the kitten to its family. And so, they ventured, tackling obstacles, seeking guidance, their spirits buoyed by the power of friendship and shared purpose. After a day filled with adventure and excitement, they finally reunited the kitten with its family, their hearts brimming with joy and satisfaction. Returning home under the vibrant sunset, they were not just friends, but heroes of their little village. What's the next adventure you'd embark on with your friends? Like, share, and follow for more such heartwarming tales.
Okay guys, please let me know in the comments section how you found the story script, voiceover, and AI images in the video. Let's try a horror story, which is quite popular on TikTok. Please paste your prompt, select the video language, and then choose a visual theme. After that, select overlay, voiceover, and background music as we did in the first step. Okay, now let me show you the horror story demo.
In a tranquil town, nestled beside an ancient woodland, a band of curious friends were gripped by an enigmatic secret. Each night, whispers echoed from the forest, intriguing and chilling them. Driven by curiosity, they plotted to uncover the mystery of the Whispering Woods. Their journey led them on a thrilling path, where each twist and turn deepened the mystery and heightened their resolve. An unexpected discovery, an ancient artifact, was the key to the whispers. Their amazement was palpable. The whispers were not just tales, but a reality. Their bravery and wit had unraveled the mystery, earning them the admiration of the town. The Whispering Woods was no longer a fearful whisper, but a tale of their courage. Every tale has a hero, and in
Thanks for watching the video. These tools can make your work faster, but they're not perfect. It's up to you to decide which type of tools you want to use for creating your content.